cucumber lid on a cigarette. It's simple and saves money. Medicine powder. I boiled a big pot of water and poured it in when the flowers bloomed. Start playing. Add some millet peppers. Add some more garlic. Add some more yellow rock sugar. Here are a few more peppercorns. These are peppercorns. Add some white vinegar. Okay, then I've prepared 2 large plates and 2 large lids. Press it down on him. Me too. Put a big lid on this. Just let it soak overnight and it'll be fine. I need to wear gloves. Let's see how a pow is doing. I just soaked in the water all night. Take one. Look, it tastes pretty good. I'll put it in a jar later and take out 2 more. The root will be stir-fried into a sour yellow color. Stir-fried beef with melon. Two sticks left. Pour it in tightly. Why? I also put a few peppercorns in the whole jar. Okay, I left 2 more. After I cut them up, I'll stir-fry some meat for him. If you put garlic cucumber in the refrigerator, it's ready to eat. Then add the beef. Okay, brush it properly. Give me some. Chopped green onion. Adding diced seafood makes it even better for consecrating the flames. Once cooked, look at this stir-fried beef with pickled cucumbers. Pickled cucumbers and beef are a perfect match. This is my breakfast and then another bowl of medicine, and I see the cowboy today. I know what they eat every morning. I'm ready. A big bowl of swallow's nest, a sea cucumber, and 2 chickens. 1 egg, 1 sesame ball, some green peas, and some potatoes. Time to eat. All ready?